Welcome everyone to another interesting DSA problem which is titled as sum of two integers. At first it seems very trivial problem, like you are given two integers a and b, you just need to return the sum of two integers. But there is one difference to this problem. You should not use operators like plus or anything, minus or multiplication, division. You should do the conventional way, how the CPU add the two numbers, like binary addition. So I will just recall how the binary addition works. So in this particular example given, so 5, the binary representation is 1 0 1, and for 3 the binary representation is 0 1 1. So we should add like this: 1 plus 1 would give you 0, there will be a carry, so 1 plus 1 0, there will be another carry, 1 plus 1 0, another carry, that will make this thing. This is nothing but 8. 8 is nothing but 5 plus 3. So this is how the binary addition happens. So we have to use. So this binary addition, the CPU performs using two operations. For example, one operation is XOR operation. Okay, this gives sum without carry, and AND operation like finds carry and then we left shift it left. So in order to understand it much more way, like how in an iterative fashion it is understanding, I have made a dry run in the next page. So as you can see, this is our 5, this was the 5, and this is 3. Okay, first what we will do, we need to find XOR between them, that is nothing but sum without carry. If 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 XOR, you get 1 1 0. This is the sum without carry, and we need to find the carry. For finding carry, we just need to multiply, then whatever we get, we just need to left shift. So let us represent A as sum without carry and B as carry. And how to find carry? Carry is nothing but, sum without carry is nothing but A XOR B. And how to find carry? Carry is nothing but A and B, then followed by left shift by 1. So this is the two steps. And we have to do this operation until this B becomes 0. So we have to do like while, we have to do such that while B not equal to 0. So this is the logic. So as you think, again you will be updating A and B of this form, and using this A and B you will be do in the next following iteration, you will be doing this B, A XOR B, and here also A and B left shift by 1. Again you will get something, again you will do A XOR B, A and B left shift by 1, and you will keep on getting result, and at some point your B becomes 0. There you can stop and you can return A. So this is nothing but the binary addition is what we are doing here. So this is a simple thing you need to understand, just two operations, XOR and finding carry using AND. XOR is nothing but A XOR B. This is like sum without carry, and to find carry it's nothing but A and B left shift by 1. This is carry, and do it until carry equals to 0. There is no carry. So this is all about the problem. Now let's try to solve it. So I'm going to write the class representation and everything. Class solution, define getSum. What are the arguments? A, which is an integer, and B is also an integer, and you are supposed to return something. What you are supposed to return? Another integer. Okay, now let's try to formulate. Let's represent B as the carry, like B not equals to 0. and we need to find the carry. As I said, the carry is nothing but A and B, left shift by 1, and let's assign the carry should be equal to 0. So B is nothing but B equal to carry. We should have write it in a straightforward fashion, but this will also work, and then this will also work. But before assigning B equal to carry, we should do one thing. We should do sum without carry, that is A equals A XOR B and B equals to carry. See why we have separately did this particular step, because it should not contaminate A and B, because we are once we are calculating sum without XOR, it should not influence. If we have like modified B, this would have got influenced. So this carry should have been calculated separately before calculating sum without carry without the sum. Okay, once we did it, we at the end we just need to return A. So as the dry run we explained using here, this would work exactly like this thing, and we will get the answer. And what is the time complexity? Time complexity is nothing but we are just depends on how many digits and everything. So discussing this thing, time complexity, it's not a critical thing in this particular problem, as I believe, but you so I'm just skipping this part, and I hope you understood the problem, and thank you for listening.